Number 7, conjunctions. A conjunction is a word that is used to join words, phrases, clauses, or sentences. Example: and, but, or, so, because, if. Conjunctions are different kinds. Today we discuss two of them. They are coordinating conjunctions and subordinating conjunctions. 1. Coordinating conjunction. A coordinating conjunction is a word that joins together words, phrases, or clauses of equal importance. Example: and, but, or, so. We generally have bread and butter for breakfast. There are 4 chairs and 2 tables in the reading room. My brother and I left early because we had an appointment. The floor is wet, so walk slowly and carefully. Please have a glass of juice or a cup of tea. I'll come and see you soon. Another activity now. Complete the following sentences using an appropriate coordinating conjunction. Two, subordinating conjunction. Example: as, when, though, although, because, if, unless, till, until, that begins a subordinate clause. Example: as my children grew older, they stopped watching movies. Sheena left the school as she wanted to study abroad. Biology was my favorite subject when I was at school. Call me when you have finished your homework, dear. Can you spare 5 minutes when it is convenient? He had just drifted off to sleep when the phone rang. Although small, the kitchen is well designed. I always avoid this road because there are umpteen stray dogs. I whitewashed my house myself because I wanted to do it. Now another activity. Complete each sentence using a suitable subordinating conjunction. Number 8, interjections. An interjection is a sound, word, or phrase spoken suddenly to express an emotion. Example: aha. It's an interjection used to express pleasure, surprise, triumph, or derision. Aha, my iPhone. I thought I had lost it. Aha, our team has won the match. Aha, looks mysterious. How could anyone live in a house like this? Ah, it's an interjection used to express excitement or surprise. Ah, that's fantastic. Ah, I thought you were in Chennai. I was there, but I got back just an hour ago. Alas, it's an interjection used to express unhappiness, pity, or concern. Alas, everything is lost. Everything is burnt to ash. Alas, people have voted against us. We have lost all our seats. Alas, that's a pity. Oh, that's a pity. Alas, all our rivers and lakes have been destroyed. Well, it's an interjection used to express opinion. Well, I never criticize religions. Well, let me think a little. In my opinion, corruption is a mental illness. Arg. It's an interjection used to express fear, anger, or some other strong emotion. Arg. Turn off the TV. I am unable to listen to my lessons. Arg. Get that dirty dog off my room. Gosh. It's an interjection used to express surprise or shock. Gosh. How could anyone live in a haunted house like this? Gosh. I never thought you would be so indifferent. It's used to represent the sound that people make when they hesitate or do not know what to say next. I don't know how I can thank you enough. What did you tell the principal? I don't remember. Wow. It's used to show that you are very surprised or impressed by somebody or something. Wow. What a wonderful meal. Wow, how beautiful. We meet after a break.